188 Hidden Valley Manor. This home, parks, and access to major roads make it the perfect blend for a family home. This bright and spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is flooded with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for you and your family to enjoy. The main floor highlights stunning views upon entering this home of the backyard that extend the entire length of the home from kitchen to living area. There is also a main floor laundry off the garage entry. Upstairs, 3 proper bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, offer a peaceful retreat with a 4-piece ensuite and walk-in closet. The partially finished basement provides opportunity for an additional bedroom and bathroom. The backyard is ideal for outdoor family gatherings, complete with a large deck and maintenance-free fencing. Your kids will love the convenience of living right next to the Hidden Hut playground, baseball diamond, hockey arena, and community center. Plus, the community features excellent nearby schools and an abundance of green space for outdoor play and family strolls. With quick access to Beddington Trail, Coventry Hills Boulevard, and Stony Trail, commuting and getting around the city is a breeze. Don't miss this opportunity to create lasting memories in a home that truly suits your family's lifestyle.